How do you manage a lab build-out on top of everything else you have to do? You let our specialists deal with it. Our planners and project managers will create a custom design that gives your lab the highest level of functionality. We'll give you a turnkey operation, a safe, compliant, and customized laboratory for your specific operational needs. And we'll do it in record time, because we maintain an inventory of modular casework, work surfaces, fume hoods, everything your lab requires. You'll have the least possible downtime, and that means your facility continues to be productive. We provide single source accountability, so you can put your time into other management tasks. We'll apply the knowledge we've gained building virtually every kind of lab, and we'll manage every aspect of your lab design and build out. Call us. We'll give you the laboratory you need, and you can focus on operations instead of renovations.